Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to move crypto from Binance to Trust Wallet. So let's get started. At first let's get into Trust Wallet app. Now click on receive. You can choose any of the cryptos, so let's go for this one, and we need to simply copy this address here. Now we need to get back to Binance here and click on deposit. Choose the type of crypto you want to send. Now here we need to paste the deposit address. Click on submit. So this is it. This is how we can move crypto from Binance to Trust Wallet. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.